Hey guys, welcome to the channel, Taking a Bathroom. The bathroom is the only place you can play your gadgets in peace. On this channel, we do product reviews and also some tutorials. If you want to support the channel, check out my ebook and also check out the PayPal donation link in the description of the video. Now, this is right to it. I want to show you how you can use simple gadgets to take your production level up. Guys, I'm telling you, something as simple as this clamp right here can really help you with your production. Let's just take a quick tour around it. Now you can see it have this adjustable screw. Basically, you can put this on a Osmo 2, DJI Osmo 2. You can see it's padded in the inside, so it's not going to damage your device. Or you can put it around any device that have the same circumference of a DJI Osmo 2. 1/4-inch thread, also a hot shoe adapter, allows you to be creative. What I use it for is to mount a light and to mount a microphone. This little clamp right here is absolutely outstanding in the world of gimbals. All right, let me show you exactly what I mean. Okay, so here is the flat shoot C-08. Now it have 8 watts and 200 lux. This is a wonderful light. You can see inside the box they have a user manual. You have some filters. They thought about just about everything. Also, it's waterproof. This is great to use with gimbals. You even can use it with a drone. It have 1/4-inch holes all around it. Again, you can thread it, get creative with mounting. You can mount it on a tripod, but I'm going to use it with the clamp. The color temperature range is around 3200 Kelvin, 100 Kelvin, 5600 Kelvin, 56,000 Kelvin, 5600 Kelvin. And again, you have those colors. It feels very good in your hand. It's very solidly built. Again, it's waterproof. This right here can last you for years. I mean, the thing can go up to 65 feet in the water, guys. You can even use this for diving. Trust me, it's going to take your production level up if you have this device. Get the light closer. Now, you have to unscrew this little protective plug. Obviously, it's waterproof, but when you want to charge it, you have to unscrew it. To turn it on, you have to simply press and hold the light. You have 4 settings: bright, brighter, brighter. Also have a flashing light setting. Not only that, but again, you have the 1/4-inch threads all around it. This is my favorite part. See this right here? You can easily take that light diffuser off. It's magnetic. And if you want to change the color temperature, you can add the filters to it. This macro filter underneath there, and you really can get creative with your color scheme using this little cube. And because it's so bright, it really helps out your production in the end. But that's enough of me talking about it. Let me show you. All right, enough talking. This is an example how I use the light. I have it mounted to my DJI Osmo 2, and again, example how I use the clamp. I have a microphone and the light mounted to my DJI Osmo 2. Now this would increase my production value 1,000 times for lighting and sound, people. That's the name of the game. This is only an example. I'm using the DJI Osmo 2. This is my configuration. Use your creativity. A lot of times people think they need an $1,100 setup like this, or maybe in the back of their mind they might need a $5,000 setup like this so they can produce quality videos. Yes, this equipment helped me make better videos, but there's tools at your disposal that's way cheaper that can help you be creative. Let me show you. So this is the camera without the light on, and the sound you're getting is from the mic. I have it turned all the way up. So let's just go ahead and see how dark it is, and let's see if we can lighten it up. Press and hold down. That's level 1, level 2, level 3, and the brightest. And you can really see that it makes difference. It's a big deal, people. And of course you have the blinking off and on. We'll turn it back off and you can see, look, nothing. We also want to try and see how it sounds without the mic. Alright, so this is me talking without the mic. Now, I don't know if there's a huge sound difference to you guys, but we'll be able to see it. So, turn the light back on. And again, without the mic. So this little clamp really does give you opportunity to take your production level up to the next stage. So just remember, guys, creativity is the name of the game. You want good lighting and good sound. This little clamp allows you to rig up a gimbal or any similar device of the same circumference, and this light really illuminates your subject. This is just an example of my creativity. I can't wait to see what you guys is going to come up with using these two little gadgets to increase your production value. Here's your boy taking a bath. Until next time, peace. Thank you guys for dealing with my code. Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.